It happened. Elon Musk just revealed Tesla's insane new truck. While Tesla has yet to release its Cybertruck, the futuristic vehicle already has a competitor. A Chinese startup showcased a new electric pickup truck concept at the Los Angeles Auto Show, and it looks quite similar to Tesla's Cybertruck. This new Tesla truck is going to be a futuristic electric vehicle that one may never have imagined. So you want to know more about it? Give the video a thumbs up and stay tuned to find out. Welcome to Genius's Guide, your daily dose of geniusness. Do you think it's what people have been waiting for after the Cybertruck? Is it really as much game-changing as it seems? Well, let's find out. This electric and solar truck has been dubbed the EF1T and was developed by China's electric car startup Edison Future. The vehicle gets charged through a retractable solar cover when it's outside in the daytime. However, the company claims the solar roof is capable of delivering up to 35 miles per day of range. The EF1T pickup truck looks similar to the Tesla Cybertruck when the solar cover is closed. It features ambient lighting, a 17.5-inch infotainment screen, mirror cameras, a door-mounted toolbox, and roof-mounted reading lights. There's more to the retractable solar cover of EF1T. It is also called Armadillo Armor, which is fitting as it features a sloped-shaped design, and the layered look of the solar panels makes it look like an armadillo. As well as protecting the pickup truck's 6.5-foot bed, the Armadillo Armor also protects anything inside the bed. But unlike the Tesla Cybertruck, however, this armor cannot be claimed to be bulletproof. However, it is still unclear what the price will be for the EF1T, but the company plans to launch it in 2025, so the prices might get revealed soon. Additionally, the company also plans to offer a series of EF1T trucks. The lineup will include a single-motor EF1T Standard, a dual-motor EF1TP Premium, and a tri-motor EF1TS Super that promises 450 miles of range and a 3,000-pound payload. And there's still time before we see the electric and solar pickup truck that Edison Future has planned for the EF1T. But it looks like Tesla will lead the way first with its Cybertruck, scheduled for release sometime next year. As it turns out, Edison Future is pretty serious about bringing its electric truck to market, as the EF1T made its world premiere at the Los Angeles Auto Show in concept form along with a surprise sibling, the EF1 electric delivery van that shares the same platform and design cues. So we will examine them one at a time and see what they have to offer. As for the EF1T, Edison Future describes it as an electric solar pickup truck because of the solar panels mounted on top of the roof. There's also a retractable solar panel available that can be folded out over the bed to capture electricity from the sun and to provide protection for the contents of the bed. As mentioned before, Edison Future will also offer the EF1T in 3 specifications: Standard, single motor, Premium, dual motor, and Super, triple motor. According to the manufacturer, the base model has a range of 300 miles, plus 380 miles and 450 miles for the Premium and Super models. Though the battery capacities are unknown, the EF1TS Super has a rapid speed of 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds, whereas the EF1TP Premium would take 4.5 seconds, and the EF1T Standard in 6.5 seconds. Likewise, the base model's towing capacity is 7,500 pounds, while the range toppers is 11,000 pounds. However, the bed lengths are available in a standard 6.5 feet and a long option of 8 feet. Edison Future claims that the EF1T's retractable solar panel can protect anything you carry in the bed. The company calls it Armadillo Armor, and the sloped shape and shingled look of the panels are reminiscent of an armadillo. But let's just hope it's more durable than the Cybertruck's supposedly bulletproof glass that got broken the night Tesla unveiled it. Tesla does not offer onboard solar panels right now, though at least one startup is trying to crowdfund an aftermarket modification for its vehicles that boasts a flashy render. Additionally, the truck comes with different cargo space options ranging from 260 to 400 cubic feet, which are nearly equal to 7.3 to 11.3 cubic meters. And that can be reached via sliding doors on the side and barn doors on the rear. There are only 2 powertrain varieties available on this model, the standard single motor and the long-range dual motor. However, the driving range is not listed. and both of the models have the same towing capacity as their corresponding pickup truck variants and are available with a solar roof. Both the pickup and the van will be equipped with solar charging systems, according to the manufacturer. This solar mosaic technology creates a striking visual signature as it also uses the power of the sun to recharge batteries, enabling work vehicles to remain on the road for a sustained period of time. But apart from this, the battery information may be revealed when a prototype of the E1T is unveiled at the LA Auto Show very soon, as the company has also announced it will be accepting reservations at the show. In AutoWeek's analysis, electric car makers are having problems getting buyers to buy trucks like the Cybertruck or EF1T because they are not conventionally styled, while Ford, GM, and GMC all have more conventionally styled electric trucks hitting the market earlier than either Tesla or Edison Future. And they have a lot of pre-orders to fill. According to Denton Xiaofeng Peng, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of SPI Energy, we're excited for the opportunity to showcase our latest EV innovations at the LA Auto Show, the first major auto show of the season. With industry influencers, car enthusiasts, and consumer buyers in attendance, the LA Auto Show provides a tremendous platform to bring awareness to the next generation technology powering our EF1T e-pickup truck. But apart from the reservations, the designers at Edison Future have come up with a really amazing yet practical idea that the doors can accommodate suitcases that can be removed and then used as storage space. When asked by a person, "What do you think of the EF1T?" he said, "Tesla should perhaps use some of these ideas for the Cybertruck since the EF1T is clearly inspired by the Cybertruck. There are several things I like about the design." He added, "Putting solar panels on electric vehicles is something I am very supportive of. So I am glad the Tesla Cybertruck will also be able to offer this option. You know, adding 20 miles per day is no small thing. In addition, these solar panels could produce 1 gallon of gasoline per day, meaning you would save 365 gallons of gasoline per year if they were parked in your driveway." However, the Edison Future team says the vehicle design was influenced by feedback from commercial fleet customers through Phoenix Motor Cars. Nonetheless, this is just an initial development iteration, and production versions will vary based on consumer feedback, as they are somewhat late to the market. They will benefit from the company's open approach to the market. According to Chief Marketing Officer Jose Paul Placal, Edison Future offers consumers innovative, bold, and sustainable alternatives. We applaud the efforts of other manufacturers within the truck segment. Additionally, the electric vehicle (EV) market is growing rapidly, so OEMs have several opportunities to meet consumer demand. So, both concepts are expected to be available in serial form by 2025. However, the company commented that the electric pickup truck model was significantly more popular at the LA Auto Show than the electric transporter model. And with vehicles such as the Tesla Cybertruck, the Ford F-150, the Hummer EV, and the Rivian R1T, we can expect features including two-way charging and power points, loads of storage space, independent four-wheel control, and obviously armored glass in the case of Tesla. But what do you guys think about this new Cybertruck contender? Let us know in the comments section. Also, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more must-know developments in finance and technology. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.